And so here is the new episode where I would be talking about the new like yearbook truck that I was like shopping for, and it's like that like he wanted like he buy it, and well, here is it right in here. And so here is it right here, and I'll be in like going through everything. And so here is my like go through on everything, and well, the show through was like kind of small basically, and well, I like wanted to see that. Well, the reason why I'm buying this truck and the Mirabelle truck is because the inside looks cool, and well, that is what makes me want to like buy it, and well, yeah, and hopefully I'll show you again, and and so that is basically my like walkthrough, and well, if you want to like get like truck like this, or a motorcycle like this, well, like you have to watch this like talk show thingy, because well it's got them for you, and well, like what I said to be with is with a person who like makes these trucks should be well or a genius because well I just it's like one more and more of that idea and well basically that's why I'm in like shopping from there and like basically I just want more of that and like well idea and well basically I'm going to show you this for like one time and then let me know how you like it and well I'll keep making videos like these so because that's what I like to do and I'll showing you the walkthrough right now